real quick. What's up, y'all? I'm faithful. Like, comment, subscribe, follow my social media. The information will be down below. Check out the fit, baby. Check out the fit, though. Period. And we got the shoes right there. Period. Listen, y'all need to hurry up. I'm gonna be pranking my boyfriend when I get I'm gonna be vlogging, but I'm gonna react to Ratchet to get his reactions. I got the hoops. I'm gonna get my nails long, and we're gonna prank him. Let's get it, y'all. He did not like Ratchet girls, and I am not Ratchet. I do have my Ratchet side. I feel like everybody do, but he don't really be saying that. So I'm gonna be showing him a Ratchet faithfully. All right. Like, comment, subscribe, follow on Instagram, _, Snapchat, Positive Vibes, Twitter, _, TikTok, _, and Facebook, faithfully. Information down below. Follow our joint account at F_J_Squad4L. Period. Let's get into it. Stop. You always bullying people. We're in a nail salon. See, she made me put that freaking stuff on my face. I'm breaking out. Like, this is not it.
You're not breaking out.
I am breaking out.
No, you're not breaking out.
You suck.
You see them likes that.
You
See them likes that.
You suck.
See them likes that. Stop lying.
No, you suck.
You just mad because you sucked at the game. You deleted me one day.
Shut up. Nobody asked you. Did I actually speak?
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
Stop. What is you doing? You're being weird.
You being weird.
What is you doing? You be tweaking.
You tweaking. You told me to get hype, so I'm hype. What's up?
What?
You told me to get hype
Not in
today.
here.
Nope. We're getting hype everywhere.
Stop. For real. Leave me alone. Oh my God, she's terrorizing me. You're messing my hair up. Nobody gives a fuck. Stop! Stop, babe. No. Javon.
Faith.
Get the fuck off of me. Stop. You about to really get on my nerves. Move. Like you're hella annoying. Move. Get off of me. Move. You messing my hair up.
She about to take my phone and y'all.
You know.
You leave me alone. You bother me in my game. You know I don't feel like that. You man. You what's the name? You sabotaging me because you know I'm gonna go like that.
No, you suck.
You know I'm gonna go like that. See? I am a goat. I was born to be a goat.
No.
I was really truly born to be a goat.
The worst of all time.
I was born to be a goat.
Really?
I was born to be a goat. See? Lifestyle. Stop playing.
Candy Crush.
For some reason, my sound didn't even work. That's some bullshit.
Oh, you gotta go down here. Lord, you're old.
Doing work. I told you.
No, okay.
Who cares about you?
Yeah, no, salon.
Thank you. Thanks. Thank you.
Yeah, get my nails done. My nails done.
I like this. Pop. Thank you.
Give me a massage.
Yeah. I saw the Chinese people.
Give me a massage.
Nope. Me no massage.
Fuck you. Anyway.
Huh?
Fuck you. I said what I said.
Say what I said. Fuck you.
The fuck? Anyway.
I'm gonna break your nails.
You gonna break my nails?
What is you doing, bro?
Something's wrong. Let me go on the other side of you, man.
Damn, this place is trash.
Man.
This is exactly.
Just like you, bruh.
You drive for a second.
You stop. Stop. You play too much, bro.
What's he doing? You
Relax,
playing
babe.
too much,
Relax.
You wanna go Rainbow?
Yes, Rainbow. That's where I want to go.
Oh.
Why you in my pockets? All up in my pockets. God damn.
Damn, this Rainbow big as fuck.
I still need my pictures, by the way. Don't be slick.
Oh, I forgot. Come on,
Stop, babe. Tickling me
You
and
show
shit.
me. You show me. What you getting?
I don't know what I'm getting. Move. Move.
What is you doing?
I don't know. Hold on, let me flip this around. That's ugly. Just like me. Hold up, though. You pick me out something. Let's see if you know my style. Sir, let's see if he knows my style. I don't think he knows my style. Look at him. Look at him. He don't know my style. You don't know my style. Look, so why you touching other girls' boobs?
Huh?
Why you touching other girls' boobs? So you're cheating on me. You're cheating on me. You're cheating on me.
Hey.
Stop.
Hey.
Look at him. He's manhandling me. He's manhandling
Chill
me.
out, okay?
Why are you manhandling me?
That bird. No, you're not picking your stuff. I'll catch you.
Oh, I got this. I need this. You does not know my style, y'all.
Cowgirl style.
No.
You don't like these?
I have some like these already.
Cowgirl style.
Stop playing with me. Wait, move. I like my nails.
Cowgirl style. Let me show you. Hold on.
You're doing too much.
Ouch.
You're doing too much.
So what is?
You're doing too much. Stop playing with me. You're doing too much.
You looking good with this. A little overall.
Stop playing with me.
Stop hitting me first of all.
Stop playing with me. Stop hitting me. I mean, stop. No one's scared of you. Like, he thinks by him doing that, I'm scared. So you're touching my ass now? Stop fucking touching my ass.
You look good
Stop.
with the overall.
No, get me an outfit. Stop playing with
If you
me.
stop hitting me, I can focus on the outfit.
Don't break my nails,
Focus on the outfit. If you stop hitting me.
nigger.
It's like, oh, I didn't know you had these.
Stop playing with me.
Oh,
Why
you want to
you
try
playing with
these?
me?
You want to try this?
Why are you playing with me?
What, you want to try this?
Why are you playing with me?
Look,
Yeah.
too big? It's like a large stone.
No, nigga. What is this?
It's like alright though.
I mean-
Like this was some like.
No, thank you. No. I got too much ass for that.
Oh,
Anyway, but you're doing too much. You're doing too much. You're doing too much. Stop.
I told you,
playing
can you
with me.
stop hitting?
Stop
Can
playing
you
with
stop
me.
hitting?
Can you stop playing with me?
Stop hitting.
Can you stop playing with me? Can you stop playing with me? Can you stop playing with me?
Stop hitting.
Find me an outfit. Find me an outfit. Move. What is you doing? Find me an outfit. This is cute. Why are you behind me?
I'm helping you find out. Come on.
I need. This is cute.
This is ugly. Look at all that stuff on there. Fuck.
No, I
What
like
is that?
this.
For real, what the fuck is that? Come on. Let's go.
I want this.
I'm picking it up. Okay. And I say you can get this. Alright. No idea.
Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. You're doing too much.
Are you done?
I'm not done what?
Hitting. No mix.
No.
Okay.
What are you gonna do about it? What are you gonna do about it? You ain't gonna do nothing about it. Like,
Stop hitting.
What are you gonna do about it?
Stop hitting.
No.
Okay.
no.
Stop
Leave me alone.
hitting.
No.
Stop
Get away from me.
hitting. Stop.
Get away from me. Get away from me. Why are you behind me? Why is he behind me? Why? Oh, this is cute.
What is you?
This is cute.
No, I'm picking
No,
your
babe,
outfit
get this.
out. No, shirt.
Babe, get this.
How about this?
Yeah, get that one too. How much is
Wait,
this shit?
this is too big.
How much? No, I don't care. I want it big. How much is it?
It's an extra large. You need
Give me a large.
large, yeah.
So I can have it big. I want this one and I want that one. Give me a large in it. Baby, come give me something new. What is you doing?
Hey, no, for real.
You do? What are you talking about?
Safe.
What? What are you talking about?
Stop it.
So you think about you calling me by my name?
Stop it.
You think about you calling me my name? I'm scared.
Come on, stop.
You're not gonna do nothing.
Yeah,
Move.
come on.
You're doing
You
too
want
much.
this?
Yes, I want that. I told you to get it now.
Alright, come on.
I need a large. Get it now.
It is a large.
Or give me a
I'll get it
medium.
later.
No, I want a large. I want a large. Give me this one. Give me a large in that one. Thank you.
It's a medium.
I don't care. Give me a large. I want what I want.
You'll get it later, alright?
No, I want what I want. Get it for me now. Get that before. Hold it. Hold it.
I'm only buying, wait, how much is it?
No. How much is this?
It's gonna be $16.
$16? All right. I got it.
16.
Hold it. Thank you. Continue. I need some jeans.
Yo, why don't you just get one outfit?
I said I need some jeans. I want what I want.
How about this?
Move. Excuse me. No, sir. No. I want this too. Sir, I want this too. No. Come here. Javon. Why is he so mad? Javon. Come here. Come here, Javon. I say I want what I want. I want what I want.
And you will get it later.
No, I'm not. Come here. Babe. Get your ass over here. No. Give me one of these.
Let's just say your gift already has something like that, okay? Let's just say.
No, come here.
There's no point of buying that.
Okay, give me some jeans then. Give me some jeans. What is this? Find me some jeans now. Hurry up. TikTok. TikTok.
Wait,
No, you have 5 minutes. Hurry up.
Wait a second. You need like a 9.
I don't care what I need.
Wait a second.
How you gonna tell me what size jeans I need?
Because I know your size.
You do not know my size. These jeans are ugly. I don't want that. Those are ugly. I want ripped jeans.
It's cold outside.
I don't give a fuck. I want what I want. It's so thank you. Put this back. I can't. Let me see.
Listen.
Yeah, get these. I want these.
Why are you getting that outfit?
I don't care. So now give me them 2 shirts. That's all I want. The 2 shirts.
The 2 shirts?
Yes. Hurry up. TikTok. You put the shirt away. Why would you put my stuff away? I want what I want. Oh, this is cute too, this bandana. I already got a bandana fit though. Where's the other shirt?
That's
okay,
what you
got
should
these
do. You should get this with the red.
I want what I want. I do not want that.
Wait a second.
I don't want that.
Look, hold up.
That is ugly. I don't want it. I don't want it. No, thank you.
No.
I'll pass. I want these 2 shirts. I said I want what I want.
Hold up.
What did you... Don't... Oh, so you hitting me now? You're hitting me.
Hold up.
Is that what you're doing? You're hitting me now. You're hitting me now.
This way.
I want my 2 shirts.
Yeah, it's right here.
Come on, go. Follow. Lead the way. No, I want that one too.
Nigga, this is the same thing.
Oh, right. Good.
That's a different.
Look at you, nigga. The fuck? Get my shirts and go. Hurry up. TikTok. Got places to be. Oh, this jacket is cute. I can tell he's annoyed right now. Get what I want. Hurry up. TikTok. What are you getting? You don't need nothing.
I need.
Say no. What do you want?
Thing that goes. Got it. All right, come on.
He's so mad right now.
Those shoes that's marked.
Hurry up. Come on, sir. Sir, you. Sir. Sir, hello. What are you doing?
What are you talking about? I'm getting your, what's
You
the
paying
name?
for it?
Yes.
No, you're not. I'm paying for it. Put it away. I have the money. I'm paying for it. I'm paying for it. And if I'll be wrong if I punch you in your face right now, huh? Listen, I'm getting really sick and tired of you playing with me.
Stop.
Stop what? Stop what? Stop what? When am I stopping? I'm not stopping anything. Hello.
I'm doing them as I go. I'm doing them as I
You're not paying for that. No, you're not.
I'm in Rhonda.
What?
Nothing.
I'm about to hurt
I'm in
you.
Rhonda and Kids. But I had to stop to direct my hem kit and I took 2 rounder off the floor. It's like, why are we selling empty rounder? Yes. Why are we selling empty rounders? How much for the rounder?
So you just had to pay for it.
Yeah.
For what? Okay, for what?
We was talking yesterday. She said
I did not care. I said I don't want you paying
that's
for
all
it.
right. I'm like, that's what the schedule said too. She said, no, the schedule said 12. And she
No.
said y'all switched the schedule.
You don't.
And then she said somebody had told her to come in at 4. She said that she was trying to call your name to see what time she came in. But I guess she didn't never told her.
For what? What do you want from me? I don't have nothing for you. What do you want from me?
What's your name?
What do you want from me?
Because I'm about to leave.
I don't care. Use your manners. Thank you. Oh, so wow, you wanna hold it? So you're gonna hold it? So he decided he wants to hold it. I'm getting tired of you holding it. I'm getting tired of, listen. I'm getting tired of you spoiling me.
I'll do my gift.
No. Come here, baby.
I'll give it to you.
No.
All my money.
I'm tired of you. No. I'm tired of you.
All my money.
I'm tired
just
of
take
you.
All my money.
Put your mask back
take
on.
It back.
Motherfucker.
Put
it back on.
Take it back. I'ma just take it back. Just take it.
Leave me alone. Always bullying me, bro. Where you want to go?
Where are you trying to go, bro?
Rainbow was the only place I wanted to go. Where do you want to
Why
go?
did you say you wanted to stay for an hour?
I did not say that.
This is a big house more. Where else you want to go?
My head hurt.
This way. This way.
Yo, why you keep freaking pushing me? I'm about to beat your ass.
way.
Get the fuck off. Stay. I need 6 feet. Listen. I'm really tired of him. And he's really about to get it because he's about to get it. You about to get it. What? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What? Babe, what?
Stop here.
No, I'm gonna hit you more. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I don't move. Yo, he's mad. Look. Really, bro? Javon, stop playing. He's playing too much. Stop playing. You keep doing that weird shit. Move.
Where you going?
I don't know. Where do you want to go? This mall not even that big. Where you want to go? That's all I wanted to go today was Rainbow. Wanna go to Gallo? Let's go to Gallo. Let's go to Gallo. Let's go to Gallo. Come on. Stop.
She's always asking what to get grandma. The Beanie Babies, that's it right there. She
Funny.
was cracking up. She said, I did not know you could like them. I said, yes.
I'm gonna get this.
This is
Yeah, because Michael's Sophie baby.
The Giant does too.
Yeah, I'm gonna get this. Go ahead, babe.
I probably was buying
where's the cashier?
That's all you don't want nothing?
Yeah, because they're expensive.
I don't want that.
Oh, snap. All right. So I got this shirt.
I'll take you on the other side.
Going this way. Sorry, this way. Come on.
Find everything okay?
Yes, thank you.
Do you have anything shorter? We don't have change right now.
No, I don't.
How much is
Okay.
it? How much is it?
$16.95.
All right, yeah, I'll just keep it here. Hold up. No, don't want it. No. No, don't. Really? Really? You just about to. Thank you. I got you.
No, you good.
No, I got you. I don't care what you say. I got you.
And you have a coupon for next month.
Thank you, you too.
Might as well put it in here.
Oh, yeah. Sure.
Take the thing out.
You're working out. I thought you could just put the whole bag in there. They didn't want to take my $100 bill, like cause they broke. They didn't want to take my $100 bill. They didn't want to take my $100 bill. I was like, yeah.
It's good. Finally, I got my nice faithful dog.
Nope. What are you talking about? So, no, come here, baby. Come here. Guess what?
What's up?
I was trying to act ratchet to see your reaction.
Cause I was what?
I was trying to act ratchet or like it annoy you to see your reaction.
Yeah, that was my reaction.
Alright.
Alright, so what else is there?
I don't know, where you want to go next? I got you. Where you want
This
to go?
place is fucking boring.
I know it is. It's old people. It's where old people
I
go.
know.
So you wanna
They got like it's a barber shop. That's tight.
leave out when you wanna go to Target?
We can go to Target. Like, probably some good shit in there.
Alright, back. Come here real quick, babe.
We can get like, it's like shirts or something in there.
Come here, babe. I need.
Where's Target?
It's outside. Come here.
Where?
Come here. Come
What
here.
direction?
This way.
Where?
need my
You want me to take a
pictures.
picture right here?
Yeah, I need my pictures.
Alright, right here? Oh, yeah.
Right here. Got pics coming out your pocket? Like, what's going on? All right, y'all. I'm about to take my pictures right quick. Be back. All right, so we decided on this Target. Target. Where you want to go on Target?
I don't even know what we looking for.
I don't know. You the one who said Target.
I guess you could get like snacks or some shit.
Snacks for what? Oh, yeah, we don't have any snacks in the house. Yeah, let's get some snacks. We don't got no snacks because we packed it all up.
I don't understand. Why would y'all pack up snacks? That doesn't make sense.
Because, for one, there wasn't barely no snacks in there anyway. think
Yeah,
it's
I
only
could've
like,
just ate it all up instead of
who would
packing
eat
snacks.
snacks up within a couple of days? And not I.
I box all y'all food. Why
Yeah.
do y'all do that like a day before?
Because the moving company is coming to pick up the stuff. What is them? You know, get the
Which
one
one
I
you
got.
want?
I told you mine. Which one? This is mine.
This is the one this is all your clothes, right? This is the gift.
Okay, this is mine.
Alright.
Oh snap! I dropped something. But this is what I got these. Don't you too close. You too close. Yeah, I need another videographer. But I got this. I need another videographer because you suck.
You suck. Yeah,
Hi, baby. Hi, my love. So Angie wants to say hi. Come on, boo. Want to sit and say hello? Sit down. Sit. Good boy. Did I drop some? Oh, that was my mask.
Nah.
Move, baby. I got
How you gonna
this.
tell him to sell you
Ouch.
the move?
Scratch me.
He
up.
want me now.
I got this. No, I don't. Oh, I thought you was about to pick him up.
No.
But this is what I got.
Well, that's what she got, y'all. That's what she bossed me to get for her.
First off, you're the one with that, and I have that on video too. Thank you.
That one too.
Oh snap! Didn't you pick this one out?
Yeah. No, you said that. You said you wanted that.
Oh yeah, I got that.
No, yeah, I picked that one out. You picked the white one.
And that was it. And then
Yeah, that was it. And you ready?
Mhm.
You sure?
Leave me alone.
You sure?
Leave me alone.
You sure?
No, I'm not.
You're not sure? Alright, we'll try next time. It's like, nah. Happy birthday.
Muchas gracias.
Had to give her the whole bag. But what she got for her birthday? She got a shirt.
That's why you didn't let me get that shirt.
Shh. They're gonna know.
Yo, that's why you wouldn't let me get that shirt. Okay.
She got that. No. I knew her favorite color. It was like all different kinds of colors. Then I got her a hoodie. Read the hoodie. Turn around.
Oh snap! What you doing, boo? Why you sniffing my stuff?
Sniffing.
Oh really? Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Show them.
Really?
Show them.
Queen of everything.
Queen of everything.
Oh really? That's what that is.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sir. And then she got some pants.
Oh really?
To go with the yellow.
Thank you, babe.
You welcome.
All right.
I had to give her the whole package.
What's this? You
That's
got me
the
some
can.
Mike Ice.
Yeah.
Mike and Ike.
Yeah, I see some candy because you know.
Thank you, my love. Ow!
What you do?
Hurt my nail.
Come on.
Got me a cord. I should have opened this first. I didn't
Wait, don't do it last. Do it last.
All right.
Do it last. She got some. What is it? She got the bracelet. I see her with the bracelet. Yeah. I be peeping her outside with bracelets. I was like,
really?
yeah, that's
so
probably
this one add
nice.
to my Alex and Annie one.
Yeah, with the little heart.
Yes, sir.
She act like I don't be peeping her with the bracelets. I be peeping.
What's this?
That's candy too. I know you be liking chocolate.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
So I guess you know me.
They didn't have Hershey's though, like you said.
I guess you know me.
You guess? Nah.
Oh, we should do that. We should do Who Knows Me Best.
Oh yeah, next
But
time.
I need my mom. I'm gonna ask her today. You wanna do it today?
Yeah, if you want.
I'm gonna ask my mom.
And then I got her
Oh,
some
you got me some
earrings, you know. I wouldn't make it too big or too small, so I got them here.
Oops. Papa, what you doing?
You know, he jealous. He like,
here.
where my gifts?
Come here. Forget
He
you.
jealous.
Okay, my love. Got me something else. I feel like nail polish. Let's see.
Oh, I think you was right. Got the nail
Y'all see that?
polish.
Y'all see that? Oh, you got the good one too. LA Colors.
Yeah.
I still got the one that you gave me for.
Yeah, that's why I didn't want to do the same thing. But it had different colors though. But I just like, no, I didn't want to overdo it this time.
Yeah, I still got that one. I think it's in one of those boxes.
Yeah, see?
Thank you. Come here.
Yeah.
Dang, you're on my foot, buddy. Thank you.
Now you gotta open the card.
I forgot the card. Hold on.
I'm not gonna lie though, my handwriting was a little dry.
Put this all. I don't know about four. Oh, snap.
Eddie's still jealous.
Oh, snap. I done popped it.
He's still jealous.
I got that one right there. The struggles.
You need help? Why you put the green one or the one now?
Listen, it's gonna all go in the box later. So I don't even care at this point. Ow! Hurt my finger. Oh,
Struggling.
yeah, I'm gonna use the other one too. But why waste trees when you got a whole bag? That you can. All right. Thank you.
You are welcome.
So, what's next? What am I doing?
The card.
Huh?
The card.
Oh yeah, the card.
Yeah, my handwriting was a little sloppy though.
Thank you.
A little bit.
It's all right. I can open. Oh, it matches my nails. Y'all see that? Matches my nails.
I didn't even know you was gonna get pink though. I thought you was gonna
did?
get yellow.
I thought I was going to yellow too. I got that stuff in my nail. I was going to get yellow. I thought I did too. Dang, I can't open this joint. Is somebody over there? I hear somebody.
Yeah, Andrew. Oh, Andrew over there.
Oh, I hear somebody sniffing. Papa, come here. Papa, can you open the card for me? Come here. Look, it's food.
Food?
That's the only way he'll come. Because he greedy. He just like me. We're big foodies. Alright. I'm about to open it. Javon.
Oh, yeah.
I'm about to open it.
Alright.
Alright.
A little slow.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it matched up. Huh? Yeah.
Period. Let's see. Let's read this. It says, I'm gonna let y'all see first.
Was a little sloppy. You know, her handwriting better.
Somebody is in that room.
It's up there.
Oh, I'm trying to figure out who that was. All right. You deserve it. Stop showing them that because I gotta cut a bunch of stuff out. I don't feel like doing more of that. You deserve a bunch of shit on your birthday. You're so cute.
Good.
I love you more.
You too.
I love you more.
Oh shoot.
Wait, was it recording?
Oh yeah, it was.
Alright. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I appreciate that. Hold up, I'm gonna get you. Oh snap. Wait, I think your gift is here. The one I got you. I gotta see what's in those 2 Amazon boxes.
Oh.
Hold up, stop that right quick.
Okay.
It's on?
Yeah.
Alright. So I don't know what this is, but we gonna see it's light. Dang.
You need help?
No, I got it. Oh, I thought it's my nail.
You know y'all grandma be taking long.
Listen, I like to. What's texting me?
Come here.
I like to take my time.
Come here.
Well, if you don't leave the dog alone, you need to make sure you're recording correctly.
I am. You good? You sure you don't need help?
You ain't see that.
I saw that.
You ain't see that. The camera ain't see it either. Chocolate in, chocolate essence. All right. It's on.
Yeah.
Matthew, what you want, my love? I'm gonna let them look first.
What is it?
I'm gonna open it first. Don't tell me what it is. I don't want to see it.
Uh-huh.
You see it? It's in there?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, that's what... I can't open that. That's my mom's Christmas gift.
Oh.
I'm gonna actually let her come out here and open that one. I think this might be my baby's gift too. Nah, I know. This might be my baby's stuff. I forgot I ordered this stuff. I've been ordered this back in Christmas. This, I don't think this is your gift. Leave him alone. He's fine. He's gonna shut up. Matthew! Why they put so much tape on this joint?
What?
Can you open this?
Yeah, I know. I said you need help.
I'm gonna take
Hold this.
I'm not gonna look at it though. I'm gonna close my eyes. Don't tell me what's in it yet. Dang. All right, I got the rest. I don't know what's in it. Here, hold this. Okay, it's on.
Yeah.
All right.
I rep half of the box, so.
Who that is?
Come on. You know what that is?
Oh, this acne wash. Oil fresh. Oh, why she bought me this? Okay, guess it's new. My aunt be keeping me hooked up on new acne stuff, so you know. Let's see what's that. What's this supposed to be? Ah! I got the James Charles freaking palette. Let's get it. This is from Alina. It's not from my aunt. This is from my cousin. Period. I got the James Charles freaking palette. Yo. 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 I'm about to cry. I got the James Charles eyeshadow palette. Listen, it's going down. I'm doing videos. It's going down. It's going down. Period. Listen. Ooh. I see this on her Instagram. I'll put her channel below. But listen, yo, I got the James Charles palette. That's epic. That is epic. And I got this because I made honor roll 2 times. I made it last quarter and this quarter. And she wanted to give that to me. That's the James Charles palette. I thought this is, I don't know why I thought this is from this acne wash. I'm gonna try this. Neutrogena. I'm gonna try this because I've been using Mary Kay, and that's why my face got like this. I'm gonna try this. What's this supposed? Oh, this what's this called? This Cetaphil. It might be Cetaphil. I don't know. Papa Hill. I got the James Charles palette, my love. I got the James Charles palette. Yeah, I did. Yes, I did. I sure did. Yo, I'm about to really freaking cry like. Now I need to get me some more eyeshadow brushes. Yo, my makeup is on fleek. Period. I think this might be. Oh no, what is this? Oh, this hair grease. Haven't used the hair grease in a long time. This been out for a long time. Blue Magic. Been out for a long time. Back in my day.
Of course.
Oh, I got some. What is this? Eyebrow pencils. I don't know how to do my eyebrows. I don't know how to do that. Is this eyebrow pencils? Yeah. Oh no, it's lip liner. All right. What colors is this? All right. That's nice. That's nice. Oh, it's color. These are colors. All right, Alina. Ma, I got the James Charles palette. I got something for you. Your gift. You gotta open it. Come open it.
Okay, can I open it in a minute?
No, come real fast.
I'm back there doing something.
You can wait. Then this is another color that she gave me.
Come on, because it's
Period.
almost time for me to get y'all back home.
All right, hold up. And that's it. Period. All right. I got the. Let me see this. Look. I got the James Charles palette. What if I tag him on Instagram with this?
Oh, what is that?
Hold on, one second. What if I tag him on Instagram with this? You think he'll respond back?
I think so.
I'm gonna see if I can tag him and see if he respond back.
It's pretty rare for a celebrity to respond back.
Yeah. All right, Mom, come on.
Let me pee, because it's almost time.
All right. So, thank you for your gift to me, sir. Thank you
I got you.
so much. Thank you so much. That's my mom. I don't know why she keeps talking, but yeah. Hello. Hello. I am teaching it to you. So freaking. Did you stop it? I thought you stopped it. I appreciate you so freaking much.
You guys so close to mine.
Period. But yeah, I want to see how these colors look when I open this. Let me open the James Charles palette. Here, Javon, come real quick. Hold this. I want to show them how because I remember this. Why I knew something told me I knew why she was gonna give me this, because I had told her. She was like, "Do you like James?" No, she said, "I know that you like James Charles." And I was like, yeah, I want to get the James Charles palette, but I've been trying to go to Sephora, but they would not have it. Ooh, look at this case! Yes, sir. Yo, I be watching his videos. Look at the freaking case, though. It's so freaking matte. Like, it's soft. Like, get into it.
Be in the case.
Open it. Hold on. Ah, I'm scared. Yo, what the freak? Look at these. Let me see. Look at these colors, though, bro. Look at these colors. It's the colors for me. We got this one's called Punch Me. We got Canvas. We got, what's this? Ring Light. Yo, this is crazy. A lot of videos coming with this palette. All right, I need to give me some eyeshadow brushes next, though. The case, though. Ooh. Oh, it's magnetic. It's a magnetic case. That is really convenient, honestly. Wow. That's great. What are you doing?
I was looking for Andrew.
No, I don't know. I think you're just trying to hump the couch on the low.
No, I was
And I haven't used this grease in a while, but I'm going to use it again. Blue Magic. That's popping. And I'm going to try this new Neutrogena Acne Wash. I'm going to try it. It's oil-free. We should try it. See what happens. I don't know. I'll be skeptical about using stuff in my face, honestly. But, you know. If Alina says it is good, then it's good. And I'm not really good with my lip pencils, because I don't really wear lipstick that much. When I do wear lipsticks, I be trying to use the lip pencils, but I'm gonna watch some videos to know how to do my lip liner. Oh, it's another one. The other one fell. Yes, sir. Y'all see that? Anyway. Well, that's my little thingamajiggy for today. And then I'm gonna record my mom opens her gift up that I had for her for Christmas. And yeah, period. I'll be back later. Yes, sir. Here's the gift in the box. Come sit in the chair and open it. Ma'am.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Ooh, this for me to wipe them?
Yeah.
This is cute. To add to my collection. Oops. Put that there.
I can't remember which ones I got you. Oh, I got those ones.
Oh, these are cute. Oh, yeah, you look
Thank you,
nice in
girlfriend.
them.
Thank
You're
you,
welcome.
girlfriend.
Thank you. This was a Christmas gift you was waiting on.
Yeah.
Oh, Lord. All right, get y'all stuff.
I didn't even notice this was in the box, but okay. Period. I likes that. I likes that.
Yes. Diamonds on my neck. I think you have a little crush on me. Ew, no. Yeah, I think you do. I think you have a little crush on me. Ew, no. Yeah, I think you do.
Let me tell y'all what's the tea. Can you hear me? Can y'all hear me? So let me stop, y'all. I look crazy. What's up, y'all? It's my birthday! Woo! Listen, y'all, it is my birthday. I feel so freaking old right now. I feel old. I'm only 15 and I feel old. I feel old. Y'all, I look ratchet too, but I do not even care at this point, y'all. I feel old. I feel old. But it's all good. It's all good. Anyway, so it's the closing of the video. I did good. This video is about almost an hour long. And we're dropping it because we're dropping these bangers back to back for the rest of 2021. Make sure I subscribe, like this video up, and I will see y'all in the next video because it's going down this year. I have a prank that I have to actually edit up and drop. I have a bunch of videos I have to edit up and drop, and we're gonna get it done because that's what we're doing this year. Is dropping bangers. I'm gonna give y'all an update of how my room looks because I showed y'all in my recent video, my past video before this one. So I'm gonna show y'all how it came together so far. Because I know I'm not taking y'all on the entire moving process. Like I already mentioned in my other video, I will be taking y'all on when we first get into the house. But let me show y'all. Alright, so we got the lamp on the floor. We got the TV, the trash can on the floor. The dresser and the nightstand is gone. We got my beanbag and my carpet on the ground. We got my shoes here. We got a hamper over there, and we got a suitcase. We got this little munchkin. Hello. Say hello. He's been under me all day today. Guess it's because my birthday. He's never under me that much. Watch this, y'all. Andrew. Beso. Good boy. One more time. You want to do it again? One more time, baby. Beso. He's angry. Beso. Andrew. Beso. He's mad because we've been practicing. I taught him this, so he's mad. Beso. Andrew. Hush. Beso. He licked my nose a little bit if y'all didn't see that. Come on, baby. You want to get out. Come on. Let's go. She said, oh. Go ahead. Bye-bye. Alright, y'all. So, yeah, I was saying, that's just what it is. And my mattress on the floor as well as y'all can't tell. But, anyway, y'all, thank y'all for the birthday wishes. I'm ready for more. I'm open to belated ones. I'm open to all of that because this video probably ain't gonna drop until after my birthday. So, I'm open to belated ones. I feel like this is my first time doing an actual birthday vlog for y'all. See, 2021. It's my freaking year. I don't care what nobody say. It's my year, hands down. Anyway, y'all, so follow my Instagram. I just posted my birthday pics. Follow my Instagram. You guys can go check that out. I'll also see if I can add, I think my grandma's supposed to be coming over today. I'm gonna see if I can add the videos or whatever when they say happy birthday to me, when I open my gifts or whatever, because I already did that in the Saturday. I did that Saturday when I had recorded it. So this video is coming from Saturday all the way up until my birthday, which is Monday. So you guys will be seeing a bunch of footage or whatever from that. This is just the end of the video because I don't know if I'm going to be coming back on the camera to let you guys know what's up, what's good, or whatever. But, however, I still have a couple hours for my birthday ends. I feel like I have like about 14 hours before my birthday ends or whatever. So I have a couple of hours or whatever before my birthday ends. So I have a while to turn up and to break in the New Year's, break in another year. I'm so thankful for another year. I prayed to God already about it because I'm so thankful to see another year. And I'm so thankful for 15. I'm gonna say 14. I'm so thankful to be 15 because y'all know I had a rough couple of years in the past. I think this year is my year. This year is my year. And I'm not just saying that because everybody say that. I don't believe in that. But what I am saying is this year is my year. Hands down. Okay? I look crazy, y'all. Don't screenshot me or whatever. But anyway, y'all, my edits are growing out really well. So I'm thankful for that. Look at it. Look at it. I just used to be really like not grown, but I'm taking good care of my edges. Anyway, y'all, this one's all good though and thicker. Yeah, it's thicker. Anyway, y'all, I love y'all. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. This video is about 40 to an hour long, so I'm gonna let y'all go there watch it. Y'all probably tired of hearing my voice and seeing my face, but don't get tired because I am dropping these bangers. Oh, try to get me to 500 subscribers. I would really love it as a birthday present. Not 500, Lord. Woo. 300 subscribers. I would really love it as a birthday present. Bye, guys.